We're in the middle of December and I have not seen the sun in 4 weeks. This is a used 2025 KZ Durango 321 RKT floor plan that's a rear kitchen, and we're gonna do a walkthrough today. Some specifications for you on the vehicle. It has a length of 36 feet and 2 inches. It has a GVWR of 12,995 pounds. It has a fresh tank capacity of 76 gallons, a gray tank capacity of 90 gallons, and a black tank capacity of 50 gallons. Coming with the vehicle is two 200-watt solar panels on the roof. That's 400 watts of solar, along with an inverter inside of the storage compartment. That's 2,000-watt Xantrex inverter. I'm filming this video in December of 2025, and we're gonna be putting this vehicle up for sale at $69,995. If you wanna get a hold of me, you can reach out to me at the number on the screen, 350-207-7290. All right, that's enough of me standing here. Let's get into the walkthrough. Okay, starting on the outside of the coach, you're going to have the fiberglass sidewalls with the Azdale insulation. You do have a molded front cap. There is currently a Gen Y hitch on this. It will not be sold with the vehicle. It's switching to a new vehicle, but it will have its regular fifth wheel hitch on it. Coming down the side here, you're gonna see we have slide toppers on all 3 slides. We do have a Lippert auto leveling system. That's a 4-point auto leveling system, 2 in the front and 2 in the back. Right here, we're gonna have our pass-through storage, Xantrex inverter on top there. Instant hot water heater. It means it's gonna be using propane more than the battery. Underneath here, you're gonna have your spring axle suspension. You're gonna have 16-inch radial tires with the tire tracking system already set up and inside of the coach as well. Rack and pinion slides on the 2 rear slides. Frameless windows all the way around the KZ Durangos. What that means is just basically you're gonna have a little bit less opening when the windows open, such as what you get on the framed windows that are usually on the side of the coach. Opens a little bit less, but your insulation's a bit better. And if you have a fan of some sort, you can get some pretty good airflow. Back here, you're gonna have a Furrion backup camera. That's also inside of the vehicle, already coming with it. Towing package on these KZs, and the Durango specifically, is always a 3,000-pound tow rating with a 300-pound hitch rating. Do have a rear ladder on this one. Storage compartment back here for the kitchen. That's your easy access panel for getting into the water manifold system and the pipes. You're gonna see our solar panels up top there. You do have an outside kitchen on this vehicle. You have a griddle along with a pretty big outdoor fridge. It's gonna be running off of the Shoreline power though, so you're gonna need your inverter on or to be plugged in to use that fridge. Okay, that is the coach from the outside. Oh, those are some more ride steps with the safety handrail. Right before we enter in, it is an all-weather insulation package, which means you do have a heated underbelly. That basically means that when your furnace is on, your underbelly is heated. Entering into the coach, first thing you're gonna see is the living area, followed by the kitchen. To my left here, across from the recliners, is gonna be the entertainment center. And you do have a sofa there that does have a tri-fold pull-out bed. Coming back over here real quick though, we do have residential fridge with residential appliances, convection microwave, 4-top burner stove, along with our bigger oven. Turning around, a few things to notice on these. You're gonna have the solid surface countertops on the KZ Durango and Durango Gold. You don't have those on the Durango half tons. Ceiling fan up top, which does lend to those frameless windows. When they are open, you're gonna have good airflow when that fan is on. Coming over here, you're gonna see your Victron Energy screen right there, which just tells you how much wattage you're pulling in or pushing out. You do have a 1-control system on the KZ Durango. What that means is that you not only can control it from the panel on the inside of the coach, but you can also control it from your cell phone when you download the 1-control app. That is glass doors on the shower, and it is all one piece in the shower. So that means you don't have 2 separated panels for the shower itself. Porcelain toilet. I always like these pocket doors because that means when they open, they don't open into the the hallway, sorry, words are hard, and hit somebody that's walking by or stopping somebody from doing it. Coming into the bedroom, do have a king bed on the east to west slide here. 2 ACs on the vehicle. Both of them are fully ducted, which means either one that is on is going to be cooling down the whole coach. Turning around here, you can see the dresser. A lot of storage there. Some storage in the cabinet there, and a TV already mounted inside, which gives you 2 TVs on the vehicle. Open this up for you. Do have your closet here. Alrighty. That is the 3. Thanks for watching this walkthrough on the 2025 KZ Durango 321 rear kitchen. My name's Sam. You've been awesome. If you or somebody you know lives near us in Central Valley, California, just let them know we're here. All right, we're a smaller dealership. We've been operating for about 13 years, and every referral helps. And it is in the name, Referral Auto Group. I've been Sam. You've been awesome. Catch you next time. If you are watching this in December of 2026, this vehicle's already been sold. Don't think it's still here.